In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books. This is a handy skill for small business owners and anyone managing their financial records. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your banking module in Zoho Books. Begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Banking tab. This area is your central hub for all things related to your bank accounts. From here, select the specific bank or credit card account where you want to record the transaction. This ensures that everything is accurately tracked and organized within the appropriate account. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to add the transaction. Look for the Add Transaction button and click on it. You'll then be presented with a drop-down menu asking you to choose the type of transaction you wish to add. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. If the transaction is money going out, such as paying a vendor or covering an expense, you're going to pick Expense or choose from the Money Out tab. On the flip side, if you're recording money coming in, maybe from a customer payment, you'll select Customer Payment or choose from the Money In tab. If it's a matter of transferring funds between accounts, simply select Transfer. These categories help ensure your books are in order and everything is noted correctly. With the transaction type selected, it's time to fill in the transaction details. Let's break it down by transaction type. For an expense, you need to choose the vendor involved and the appropriate expense account. Zoho Books even allows you to add multiple line items and attach receipts for your records. When recording a customer payment, select the customer and link it to the relevant invoice. Don't forget to enter the amount received and note any bank charges incurred. If you're working with a transfer, select the To account and enter the amount you're transferring. Regardless of the transaction type, there are some essential details you'll need to enter every time. Be sure to fill in the amount, date, description, and any relevant reference numbers. These fields help keep your records clear and detailed, making it easier to revisit them in the future if needed. Once you've double-checked all your entries for accuracy, it's time to hit the Save button. This step records the transaction in your books, and you'll see it listed as manually added. And with that, you've successfully recorded a bank transaction manually in Zoho Books. Thank you for following along. Keeping your financial records up to date is crucial, and I hope this guide helps make the process a little bit smoother for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy accounting.